Alright y'all, this is Digging Deep South, back out here in Port Hudson. We're going to be hunting a little area right here where the two lines were fighting at, north and south. North on this side, south back behind the camera this way. 2,000 men went down in this field one morning. Left the bodies out here for a couple weeks. We actually couldn't get to the bodies real good, but give y'all a little look around at the area where we're hunting. But like I said, this area right here was known for a few cannon embracers. Yeah, had troops and stuff camped all behind the cannon and embracer area, and we'll be hunting those little areas too. And about all I got for you, other than tell you that I'm ready to hunt. You know, it's been a 1 week since I hunted last. But we'll see what we can do for y'all. Thanks for watching. I've been getting a few comments back. Get a few comments back, personal messages and stuff from guys that have metal detected in the area out here. I get to hear from different guys, especially the ones that have hunted out here for years, where I'm hunting at now. I know quite a few guys that they've been out here coming out here since the early 80s. And all these ravines you see me in, digging this and that sometimes, we'll talk on the phone and I'll know exactly what ravine or creek bottom or whatever they're talking to. Just need to have somebody that relates to the property like I can. You know, I study maps for years and years and just know every square foot, every square mile, every square yard around here. But I asked them, you know, where'd y'all leave the stuff that y'all left for me? And they don't know. But all right, just had to throw that in there. Thanks for watching. We'll be right back with hopefully a find. Coyote. Alright y'all, it's hot, very hot. Look at this, soaking wet. But we're gonna still hunt for a couple more hours. Been hunting for a couple hours. One of my friends told me about it back in the 80s. He found a CS buckle here, a few other things. Wife found a few things, but anyway, all I've been finding is bucking balls. That's all that left me. Not even a bullet, until I just ran across this little signal here. Not much, but it's right here. Give y'all a little look around at where we at. Pretty rough stuff here. But just found a little button, little cuff button right here. We'll brush it up in a second. Alright y'all, cleaned it up. Pretty nice looking button. We still got some little bit of gold brass showing. There we go. Got the shank on it too. There she goes. We'll clean it up a little better when we get to the house. Yes, another bucking ball. Alright y'all, that tree line right there is the old railroad track. I think maybe my last video I showed the tree line, the railroad track, and talked about it. But been walking at the edge of this field right here, but up in the woods at the edge because they logged all the edge. And this field right here was you know, big area where Union camps were, and pretty much where this tree line was, it had 2 or 3 batteries right here for cannon embracers and stuff. So we're just hunting the edge of this, you know, a little bit further into the woods. On this tree line, it drops straight down, you know. So right at the edge of these woods, probably when they cleaned these fields, or when the Union was dug in fighting the Confederate, they were all up in this little area here. But anyway, just found the first bullet of the day. Got it right here. Haven't looked at it real good, but it looks like a 3-ringer. I don't know if plows unhit it, or I might have hit it too. But there you go, first bullet of the day. Big fat 3-ringer. I'll take it. And I'm hot. Alright, just found another little find, little small round pistol bullet. Alright y'all, digging deep south, hot as hell. We cutting some rough terrain, trying to make a couple more finds for the video, and we're finna get the hell out of here. It's rough in here. We just made another little find right here. Been a little while. A round ball right here. Alright y'all, just made another little find, but it fell to pieces when I seen that little bit of brass right there. I figured it was a front of a button, and dug around a little bit more, and I was right. This is the back part of it, and the front just got destroyed. But it's probably falling apart anyway. I only made one little dig out that hole right there and pulled it out, but back of a button. Still got a shank on it, another cuff button. Alright y'all, we did a little hunt this morning. Appreciate the info and the comments that everybody gives me. Appreciate the info on the old time relic hunters that kind of point me in the right direction. They've been helping me out here lately. Some old grounds, I'm hunting old grounds that have been hunted since the late 70s and 80s and 90s and so on. Been coming out, like I said earlier, been coming out with these videos, and people been getting in touch with me, say, oh man, the woods look familiar, you know, I used to hunt those when I was... Today we'll get on to what we found. Today we got these 2 round balls. They pretty good looking. Yep, nice little find. Got that 3-ringer. Got hit over the years a couple times, a couple little marks on it. Found all these bucking balls. I was in an old house site area, and you can tell all the different type of pottery, you know, pretty neat stuff. I pick it up. Got a lot of big collection of that. But anyway, got this little button back right here. That's the one at the front fell off as soon as I picked it up pretty much. Got a little small pistol ball right here. The state seal New Yorker button. I'll tell you what, that's nice. That's the second New Yorker button I found. First one I found many years ago. I can't tell you where it is, but we got another one. I'm gonna try to hang on to this one. Pretty good shape. Pretty good shape. There you go. But that's all we got for y'all today. Like I said, appreciate the comments. I don't get a chance to answer everybody's comment back, but I sure view them and appreciate them. Got a couple other things I could show y'all.